1958 Mercedes-Benz 220S Coupe. Price, $29,950. Location, Idaho. The 1958 Mercedes-Benz 220S Coupe is a true embodiment of post-war luxury and innovation, crafted by the legendary Mercedes-Benz. Finished in its elegant factory white gray, 158, and complemented by a rich red interior, this coupe captures attention with its refined and timeless design. As part of the iconic Ponton series, it represents one of the earliest fully integrated body styles that helped shape the future of automotive design. The story behind this car makes it even more special. Owned long-term since 1975, this vehicle has been carefully preserved and left untouched for years, creating a rare time capsule condition. For collectors and enthusiasts, this is not just a car. It's a piece of history waiting to be rediscovered and brought back to life. Its originality offers a unique opportunity that is becoming increasingly hard to find in today's classic car market. The driving experience of this 220S Coupe reflects a different era of motoring. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and a column-mounted shifter, it delivers a smooth yet engaging ride. The dual Solex carburetors provide reliable performance while maintaining the authentic mechanical feel that classic car lovers truly appreciate. Every detail under the hood speaks of precision engineering and durability. Inside the cabin, the vintage charm continues to shine. Classic VDO instruments, an analog clock, and the iconic Becker Europa radio create an atmosphere of nostalgia and sophistication. Chrome accents, a 2-spoke steering wheel, and thoughtful details like a lockable glove compartment and vent windows enhance both functionality and style. This interior is not just designed for driving, it's designed to be experienced. What makes this example even more desirable is its completeness. The car comes with original factory literature, a stamped service booklet, instruction manuals, as well as a jack and tool kit. These details add significant value, especially for collectors seeking authenticity and provenance. It's rare to find a classic vehicle that retains so much of its original documentation and accessories. The 1958 Mercedes-Benz 220S Coupe is more than just a classic car. It's a statement of elegance, heritage, and engineering excellence. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone looking to enter the world of vintage automobiles, this is a unique opportunity to own a truly remarkable piece of automotive history.